I'm Mary, this is Gary, my husband, and we had our basement done by Basement Plus.
We created a place just so that we would have something to do in the winter time.
It's our happy place.
Yep. We did meet with a few different contractors, and the reason why we decided to go with Basements Plus is because the other guys wanted to use wood in a basement, and Basements Plus uses steel for the studs, so it's waterproof.
Our overall experience with Basements Plus was phenomenal. From the sales to the setup, the contractors were top notch. They went above and beyond, and you didn't even know they were in the house. They were so quiet, they were courteous and respectful, and the quality of the work they do is second to none. Our new favorite thing about our new lower level is the openness, the spaciousness.
We both play pool down here. We listen to music. We both watch TV. So it's pretty equal. We didn't have anything that surprised us or anything like that. They came in, they told us what they were gonna do, and we didn't run into any issues or anything like that.
We had a lovely unexpected surprise. Was the soffit was custom made by Joe, and he did a phenomenal job, not knowing how intricate the work was, but he did an amazing job.
I would absolutely recommend Basements Plus to a friend.
They were great, and we can't wait to recommend them to all our friends and family.
Thank you, Basements Plus, for finishing our basement.